Render and replace. Let's look at another useful feature that is available in Premiere. It's very good to use. Let's say we have some graphics that are made in After Effects. This is either a motion graphics template or the Altos sequence that lies in the Premiere project. In any case, it's played with lags. If it's played in real time, then it will be great. There will be no problems. But if it's a little more complicated than the elementary one, then it will start to lag, like this. Let's say we set it up as we need it, and we want to fix it, so that we don't have any problems every time in the project. We can calculate it here at the top by pressing Enter. It will calculate this piece. But again, if we shift something, we'll need to calculate it again. There is a simpler solution. We right-click and use the Render and Replace function. At the same time, we will create a MOV file that will refer to the original project. We will always be able to return to it. At the moment, it replaces the original in the project, but always saves the link to go back and change something. What does it look like? The Render and Replace window prompts you to choose a format: QuickTime, MXF, or DNxHR. I choose QuickTime. The codec is GoPro Cineform. Then we select the location next to original media, where this MOV file will be stored. MOV will also appear where the Altos project is located, and you can do it with overhangs, enabling the Include Handles checkbox. We click OK, and it starts to calculate. It finished the calculation. Now everything is played without lags, in real time. We created a simple MOV file that is not very compressed, because the GoPro Cineform codec is not a complex codec. But if we need to change some number or letter, we'll click Restore Unrendered. Then we write a new text, and we can render it again and replace it if it's necessary. Also, the Render and Replace function works not only with video, but also with sound waves. Let's say that we can combine many audio tracks into a nest and calculate them together. But I use this method less often than before. But in principle, there is such a possibility.